So now let's work around with the face customization slider. So for that, I'm going to go over here into Customize tab, and over here you can see face. And face customization sliders can be used to control expressions and extras like closed eyes, lower lip, and so forth right over here. Let's go over here and see the different expressions we have over here. So we have something like angry right over here. You can also type in the numerical data right over here, and that will come into effect right over here, as you can see, just like that. So the character is a bit angry right over here. I can bring this down right over here so that the expression changes, and I can bring up the awkwardness right over here. So let's make that 90 as well. And you can see that it's more of an awkward expression right over here, just like that once I bring that up. So you can work around with this as well. That's like cocky right over here. So I'm just going to go around, type in around 90. So there's like a cocky situation right over here, as you can see. You can also go around with confused right over here as well. So the character seems a bit confused, just like that over there. So confused, just like that. You can go around here. Let's go around with goofy right over here. So let's see how that actually looks like. Goofy right over here looks funny, as you can see, looks ugly as well. And another one over here is happy. So let me just bring up the happy right over here, just like that. And now the character is happy. So you can bring down the happiness right over here. So the character is not happy, or you can really make her happy right over here, as you can see, just like that. You can also make her, like, let's say worried right over here. So let's go around and make her worried, and you can bring that down. You can have a multiple combination of the expressions as well. So you can make, let's say for example, make her like 40% angry right over here, 10% awkward right over here, and cocky, let's say for example 100% right over here, and confused maybe around 20%, and let's say goofy around 10% right over here, and happy let's say around 50, just like that, and then worried maybe about 10. So you can have a combination. So this really resulted in ugly. That is because of this 100 that I added in. So you can just go around and change that out. So maybe I want to remove out the goofy altogether right over here. So usually I like to go in and type in the data itself, just like that. So you can go around and change this around, as you can see, just like that. Just change around the worried, and then I'm just going to change around the confused as well, and the cocky part right over here, just like that. So this going for 0 value, maybe awkwardness I want to have around 10, just like that, and happiness, there you go. So similarly, you can control out the expression, as you can see right here. There's a little bit of extras that we can work with as well. For example, cross-eyed, I can go here and type in, let's say for example 70, and you can see that the eyes moved on together. You can also work around with the eyes right over here, as you can see. And but over here, if you were to go over here, then you can see that you can work around with the eyes. So let me just go on to the face right over here, and let me go to the eyes. So 80, and it's very cross-eyed. So I do want her to look smart, so I'm just going to leave it to 0. There's lower lips down, as you can see right here. So let's do something like that, and the lips open up, as you can see right over here, and you can start seeing the teeth over there as well. So you can work around with the lower lips as well, as you can see, just like that. I'm just going to leave it as 0. You can let her open up the mouth as well. So something like 70, and the mouth is opened up right over here. So let me just open it a bit right over here, just like that. There's the upper lip right over here as well. So you can work around. So something like, let's say 50 and so forth. And you can work around with the upper lip over there, as you can see as well. So you can go around, really open that out, as you can see. So you can start seeing the teeth right over here as well. And what you can do is you can work around with the teeth from the teeth tool as well. This is something we're going to see in the next lesson. So you can go around and change out the value, like wall-eyed, let's say for example 100, and it goes way beyond, right, as you can see right over there. So that's how you work around with the face customization sliders inside of Adobe Fuse to control expressions. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.